Hey, what's up, fellas? Daily challenge is kicking my butt. Yeah, I'll talk to you about challenges in a minute. Bet the coffee's cold for the most part. So I want to take a minute and talk to you about the Warrior Tribe. Warrior Tribe is one of those where we do have daily challenges that are physical, preparedness, survival, things of that nature. We have daily, weekly, monthly challenges, and it's not just a hey, go and do stuff, right? Because the Warrior Tribe is more than that. Let me explain what I mean by that. I had been in a group that were men only, and I observe a lot of things. That's anybody that knows me knows that I just sit back, I observe, and then I act. With that group, I observed a whole lot of whining, man, and it was one of those where it was tolerable, right? It's just a oh hey oh. Sometimes, especially guys, and keep in mind that this is not exclusive of women. Guys need a good kick in the ass, just blunt, right? They need a good kick in the butt to move them to the next level. And so I started joining this group, this Facebook group called Mastery of Survival. And as I started watching, I'm like, oh, let me jump into some of the challenges I started doing, and it was good, right? It was good. Don't get me wrong. It was better than what I was dealing with. It was good. There's a lot of folks chatting, a lot of folks interacting, things of that nature. And I noticed a buddy of mine actually posted on there, and I'm like, Clint, what's up? So I reached out to Clint and I said, hey, listen, I need more information on this. You're part of a warrior tribe. What is this warrior tribe thing? I mean, it's kind of the warrior tribe, really. And he started explaining it to me. And as I started listening, I was also reaching out to the head of the group, if you will. I don't know if you call him the boss, the owner, whatever. He is the owner of Mass Tactical, so that's the way you can start with that. But he's actually the guy that started all of this. And in those discussions, I started realizing there was a lot more to it than just a Facebook group, right? It was interactivity. It was accountability. It was taking you to another level and really being dependability. So when I look at the Warrior Tribe, what does it offer? What does it help me to do? How did it move me to another level? In that, what I looked at is, number one, I jumped into the challenges pretty darn quick because, look, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, right? The entry fee was next to nothing. It was $1 for the first month, $20 for every month after that. They have a lifetime, they have a yearly. I don't know all that. I just know that it comes out of my bank account every month, so I only do the monthly. It's probably cheaper for the other way, just didn't have the funds for it. However, what I started realizing is that myself was improving. In the challenges themselves, I was improving, well, physically, still got a long ways to go. Mentally, they've got a book every single month that you have to read. How about that? So it's a book a month club. They started developing preparedness, survivability, things of that nature. And the benefit of that is now it's taking me and myself and moving it to the next level. Overall, when we look at what the benefits are, that alone is worth the fee, right? And what I started realizing in this is that they did kick me in the butt. The accountability in it is crazy because what they do is they don't see you or they don't see any posts by you, they'll call you out. I mean, that's just the way it is. The other side is sometimes I get a personal text and it's like, hey, Bill, where you at? What's up? Are you out in the woods? The good news is I've learned I let them know when I'm going to be out of town so that I'm not going to get the text and when I get my phone bombarded when I come back on the grid, if you will. So guys, I'm going to put a link down below. Check it out. The Warrior Tribe. Join up. It's well worth it. It's changed a lot in my life, changed a lot of things as far as my goals go, things I'm looking for in the future. Definitely want to look at it and definitely want to sign up. And guess what? No contract. So there is that. Anyway, till then, Papa Bear out.